If anyone got disconnected, please join again. But they have already got disconnected. How would they listen now? They will join it. No worries. No, they will come back. They come back. So, what is our function now? Our main aim is there are just to recap. Two companies in a company there are two firms. One is A and B, factory A and factory B. Factory A produces X TVs, factory B produces Y TVs. This is our cost function. Now we want totally 90 TVs. So what will be the like at minimum, how where will be the cost, like what will be the number of X's and Y's where cost will be minimum. So that's our main aim. Correct? So what we have written here, we have written here two firms. For example, we'll write two firms A and B. A is producing X TVs and B is producing Y TVs. That's our thing. The cost function for the two firms to produce A and B is, what is that? Plus 12 the cost function is is 6x square plus 12y square. Correct. Okay. So these are X and Y are TVs. So remember, TV sets. Done. It is done. Now, what is the aim? The aim is we want to produce how many X's and how many Y's so that total number of them will be 90. That's our, this is our constant. That's our function. Correct? No doubt in it. I don't know whether they are able to join or not. Hello, I have texted in the group. So that's our constant function. So how we will write now? How we will write it? How we will write it? We will write it in the way. So our function is so we will write it 6x square plus 12y square minus lambda times x plus y minus 90. That way we have to wait. Sir, I am not able to answer. Wait. Class में हो अभी some student is saying बोलो मैं क्लास में हूँ अभी आधे घंटे में क्यों क्या हुआ क्या हुआ? मैं करता हूँ बाद में, मैं फोन करता हूँ. Anjali Johnny is saying that I am unable to join, but I am not getting any request here. See, I am not getting any request. Anjali is saying in the group that I am unable to join. What will I do? Let me see what she says. This is another way of writing. Here it is writing is very good. Let it be. I'm not getting any request. No. Send the request. I will accept it. But everybody should be able to join. Okay, fine. So now this is our function. So where this x plus y minus 19 came, it came from this constant function. Okay, it came this function x plus y minus 90. I have written this function x plus y equals to 90. I have written it equal to like this, x plus y minus 90 equals to 0. This way I have written it. Correct? No doubt in it. Correct? Then what we will do? We will do one thing. We will put it equal to, for example, lambda or something, whatever you write, f of x. So whatever is convenient for you, we can put it. That's not the issue. So we will put it like a function f is equal to this Lagrangian function. Now what is the next step? Next step is first derivative with respect to lambda x and y, and put it equal to 0. That is our aim. Now we will go to the next page. We will write the function. The function is same function. I have to remember the function. F is, see whether I will write it correctly. 6 x square plus 12y square minus lambda times x plus y minus 90. Correct. So what we can do, we can give the lambda inside also. That's not a problem. Or we can, for your easy understanding, we will do the next step also. 6x square plus 12y square minus lambda times x minus lambda times y minus plus lambda times 90. Khatam. Here. Now do the first differentiation and put that equal to 0. Okay? First differentiation. Now that's our job. Now what we will do, this is the first differentiation after this. First we will do with respect to x, then y, then lambda, or anything we can do. That's not a problem. But first we will do with respect to x. F of x will write, or f prime x. Whatever is convenient for you. Df by, it can be written this way. It can be written this way also. Df by dx. Also we can write it. That is not the problem. Then when we do it with respect to x, what will be left in the function? See, the first one, it is this function here. 12, 6 to the 12, 12x, correct? Minus or plus, we don't know yet what is it. First to see this, with respect to x is there, but there is no x, it will become 0. Minus x, lambda x is there. So minus lambda x will become minus lambda only. It is because it is with respect to x. Then this term will become 0. Then this term will become 0. These two, lambda y and lambda 90, all the term will become 0. So what is this? What will it become? Then we will see what will it become. It will become 12x minus lambda. We have to put it equal to 0. Correct? We have to put it equal to 0. Then if we bring the lambda other side, what will be it? It will be lambda equals to 12x. Correct? Or 12x equals to lambda. Then it will become x equals to lambda by 12. If we bring 12 this side, it is one and the same thing, or I will write it convenient way. 12x equals to lambda, because lambda we will bring the 0 side, it minus will become plus, so it will become plus lambda. So x 12x equals to lambda, then this 12 will bring it down, then x equals to lambda by 12. So this is the first derivation with respect to x. Then what is the second derivation? Second derivation is, we want to do it with respect to y. Then y is here. This first will become 0, first part. With respect to x, it will become 0. Then plus 12 twos are 24. 24 y, correct? Minus 0, because there is x in it. Minus lambda minus 0, because this term will become minus this term will become 0. This here we will get y, and this term will also become 0. So we will get like this. So how we will get? Slides are over. Slides are over. So we got this. So what is function of y equals to 12y minus lambda, 24y, 24y minus lambda equals to 0. Then that will become 24y equals to lambda. Then that will become y equals to lambda by 24. Correct? No problem in it. So we have got two equations, x and y and lambda. Fine, no problem till now. Now we will go for the third function, third derivation of with respect to lambda. How we will write? F lambda equals to x square, first term will become 0, second term will become 0. Then it will be left x plus y, right? Not x plus, x minus 5 plus 90. Shall I write this function above? What is the function? Function is 12x square plus 20 No, no, it is not 12. It is 6x square plus 20 minus. No, it is not plus. It is minus. Huh? Minus minus lambda minus lambda x minus lambda y minus plus lambda 90. That's our function. So we have to do it with respect to lambda. F prime lambda means differentiation with respect to lambda. So first term will become 0, there is no lambda in it. Second term will become 0, there is no lambda in it. Third term will get minus lambda, not minus lambda, minus x, which is with respect to lambda, minus x. Fourth term will become minus y, because lambda will get multiple, lambda will become 1 here. That's why it is becoming like this. Lambda will become 1 into x, 1 into y. That's why minus y minus x, minus x minus y. Then then it is no, it is lambda. Then lambda 90 will become only 90. That's our function, plus 90. Then we will put it equal to 0. That means minus x minus y plus 90 equals to 0. Correct? So we got three things now. Lambda, we got x, value of x, value of y. Here I will give the number. This is our first observation. This is our second observation, and this is our third observation. Minus x minus y becomes lambda. It becomes like this. Now what we will do, here in the third function, we have x, y in the function, in the differentiation function. What we will do, we'll do one thing. We will substitute the value of x and y in the first observation, x equals to lambda by 20, 12. In the second observation, y equals to lambda by 24. In both, in the two times. So we will substitute the value of x and y. No. Correct? Then what we will do? We'll substitute, either we will do minus, we will keep as it is. Okay, so I will write all the functions here so that it will be easily visible to you. What is the third differentiation? Minus x minus y plus 90 equals to 0. This is our third function. And we have got, this is our third observation. In the first and two, we have got the value of x. X equals to lambda by 12. Y equals to lambda by 24. Correct? Lambda by 24, lambda by 12. Correct. Now we will substitute these two values in the function. What we will do, we will write lambda by 12 minus symbol is there, minus lambda by 24 plus 90 equals to 0. Or we'll bring 90 that side. Correct? So how we will solve it? Now we will solve it for the lambda. So this function, just be careful from now onwards. First, I will remove the minus sign. I will bring down here and like this is minus lambda. I will remove the minus and bring this 90 that side. So finally, the equation, if I remove the minus sign, it will become like this: lambda by 12 plus lambda by 24 equals to 90. If I multiply it with the like sign, how? For example, I can write it like this. If you are getting confused, 90 equals to 90 is there only. These two terms I will bring another side. These two terms minus lambda by 12 become plus lambda by 12, minus lambda by 24 will become plus lambda by 24. So that's same way I wrote here, but I changed the place, right hand side to left hand side. It is one and the same thing. Then here we have this function. Now we will solve it for lambda. Here we will make the common, because it is 24, it is 12. We will make the common denominator so that it will be easy for us to solve. How we will make that? We'll 2 lambda by 24. That is one and the same thing. Lambda by 12. No changes. Plus lambda by 24 equals to 90. We know when denominator is same, we can add it up. We can add up the denominator and we can get the value. So what we will get? How we will get? 24 has come below. I have written here, you see 2 lambda by 24. That is one and the same thing, lambda by 12 only. But why did I do this? To make it 24, because here is also 24. So we don't need to do much calculation now. We need to simply add it. How? 2 lambda plus lambda will become 3 lambda. And this 24 we have to take only one, that will be common 24. That's why it is easy mathematical calculation. Otherwise we have to do cross multiplication, and that will be a little difficult. When you have chance to do this, make the denominator same by adding, by multiplying upside and downside with some digit. If it is possible to make the denominator same, then calculation becomes much easier. Remember it. Equals to 90. Correct? Then we can, now I will write it in the next page. 3 lambda minus 2 divided by 24 for calculation purpose. 3 lambda divided by 24 equals to 90. I can cut it. 3 ones are 3, 3 that way also, or I can simply 3 ones are 3, 3 6 3s are 24. That way also I can do, or we can do it. No problem. I can do it. 3 by 24 into lambda equals to 90. It is easy calculation, mathematical calculation now. 3 ones are 3, 6 3s are 24. Correct? That way we can do it. So lambda by 6 equals to 90. Lambda is equal to 90 into 6 calculation. This, when we bring 6 upside. So 90 into 6 I will calculate from the calculator. Calculator is within the 90 into 6.
Sir, it will be 8, sir.
It will be 8. Okay. See. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Yeah, 6 fours are 24, not 3. I am sorry. Thank you so much. Otherwise, whole mathematical calculation would have gone and collapsed. This is very good. You observed it. It will give me completely wrong. Okay, 520 it had come. 890 to 60 it had come 520. Now see 540. Now see how much difference it will create. 90 into 8, 720. It is actually 720. Lambda. So lambda value we have got 720. Correct? No problem. We have two functions here where x is equal to c, the first two functions here. Here, this first here. You see it here. X equals to lambda by 12, y equals lambda by 24. So we will substitute the value of lambda in it. in both the functions, and we will get the value of x and y. That's our aim. So lambda is 720. I will write everything in a clean way. X equals to lambda by 12, y equals to lambda by 24, and lambda equals to 720. This is our total function. Now we will substitute in the first place. X equals to 720 by 12. 720 by 12, I will do the calculation here. So it is 60. 60. Y equals to y equals to 720 by 24. 720 divided by 24, it is 30. 30. Fine. So we have got three functions. We have got everything now. Nothing to worry about. What we have got, necessary condition is fulfilled. We have put it equal to 0, and we have got the value equal to this. Now what we need to do is, we need to, the cost of function is given. It should be like minimize the cost at given output. So given output is 90. So what will be the combination of TVs? We have any other slide? We have two slides. What will be the combination of this? So the final value for us is x equals to 60, y equals to 30. That's our final combination. So what was the constant? If you look at here, constant was, we have to put total 90 TVs. So what is the combination of TVs that we will produce? How many X's and how many Y's we produce, so that the should be produced each factory, so that the cost will be minimum, or cost will be given and output will be maximum. But output is already given. Output is 90. We need to produce 90 TVs. We need to produce 90 TVs. So with respect to the 90 TVs, we need to reduce the cost. So what is the combination? That combination, that is 30, 60 and 30. So that is, for example, we have written here cost constant x y equals to 90. That is how many x? 60 and 30. 60 x TVs and 30 y TVs will become 90. Is it correct enough or not? There's no problem in it. What does it mean? We need to produce 60 TVs and 60 x TVs and 30 y TVs. Okay, we need to produce 60 x TVs and 30 y TVs to minimize the cost. Now, how you will identify whether really the cost is minimum or not? How you will identify? You can identify. First, we need to what we will do, we'll substitute it in the original function with respect to these two values. So c equals to, we have written it already, there, when we have written it, x plus y equals to 90. We have written it already that we want 90 TVs total. How many x's, how many y's? So we have got it. 60 x's, 60 x's and 30 y's, y TVs. So that we have got. Exactly 90 TV will produce. In that, we'll get the combination of 60 x's and 90, 60 x's and 30 y TVs. That will be the value. Now, what is the original cost of function? We'll see that. Let us go a little behind here. 6x square plus 12x y square, correctly? Won't take much time. See, cost of function is 6x square plus 12y square. Now, given the cost value of 60 and 30, we will substitute the value. Correct? We'll substitute the value. then that will become 60 into x value 60. 60 square plus 12 into 30 square. Correct? Then I have to use the calculator actually for it because it is difficult to do. It will become 60 into
Sir, 6, not
3.
60, sir.
What? Oh, see. You. Thank you so much. Please keep watching these things because it is difficult. If you are in the class, then it will be better for me. At least you can look at me there. I am doing it. I have not done it. I am doing it in front of you so that you will also learn what I am doing. That's why these mistakes are happening. Plus 12 into 30. I will do 30 into 30 in the calculator. It is 900. 900. Then 36 into then 3600 into 6 is 21600. Correct? Plus 12. I will check it once again into 3600. It is 21600 and 12 into 900. 10800. 10800. Correct? These two things we got. Now we will add up. Plus 21600. So it will become, the total cost will become, for example, 32400. That's our final solution. Now, I will keep quiet for a while and I will ask you, how would you check whether this is minimum or not? How would you check whether this is minimum or not? 60 and 30. What do I mean by saying that? What do I mean by saying this? Whether really 60, the combination of 60 and 30 is the minimum or not? How would you check? Cross check, I am saying, for example, because I have been telling you that I am solving this equation and it is giving this value 32400 and it is the minimum. But how do you really know whether it is minimum or not? Maybe there is some other combination also. Maybe you may like ask, how would we know whether really 60 and 30 combination is minimum or not? We'll change the value. We'll change the value. We'll cross check it. By 60 and 30 combination, we got cost 32400, 32,400. We'll change the value. Total is 90. Total is 90. Total is 90. And we have got 60 plus 30. We'll make it 59 plus 31. Simplest way. 59 plus 31 is also equal to 90. We'll see whether this combination, how much output it will give. So, we'll go into original function first, cross checking. See, 59 plus 31 equals to 6 into 59 square plus 12. 12 into 31 square. We'll see. I also don't know, but this is the cross check. I have not done this also yet, but I am just checking it whether we'll really get the minimum cost or not. If we are not getting, then we have to see, like we have to defend why we are saying this 32400 is the minimum. It's a cost function, right? Cost function should be minimum. But if we change the value, and combination. If we change the combinations, then value should come different. If it comes less than this, then this function is not like we are doing some mistake or some problem is there, right? So this is a cross check. This question is from my side also. Okay, I have not solved this question till now, so it is for all of us together. Let us see really whether it is minimum or not. So 59 square I will do. 59 square I will do. It is 6 into 59 square is 3481 plus 12 into 31. 31 into 2, 961. We'll see what will be the best, whether this combination will be best or not. I really don't know. Please. Let us go ahead. No need to worry. Let us see. I also don't know. Whatever comes result is the result. Into it is 12 first. So first I will write this function into 12. When we do, it will become 11532. So if we do 6 into 3481, it will become 20886. If you have calculator in front of you, you can do it. Okay, plus 11532. When we add up both the things, okay, we have given the value, different value. When we add up these things, it will become 32418. This is the addition of this observation 2. When we give 59 and 31, cost of function is this. So we will see the previous cost of function. 32,400. It is 32,418. So that is correct actually. See, that is correct. If we change the combination, you change it anyway, but this combination should be most minimum. That is the aim of the function. That's the aim of the function. See, it has increased. Now, if we do like this, if we change the combination to 61 and 29, what will be the output? We don't know. Let us check it. As of now, it has proved here. If we give 59 plus 31, that's also 90. The cost will increase. Somebody has texted me something. Wait. Don't write this here. Wait 2 minutes. It is not yet over. Benjamin and Farouk, please wait. Final 2. Okay, this is the function now. We have given, supposed to we gave 60 and 30, which we derived from the equation. We said it is minimum, but when we cross checked it with 59 and 31, plus is 59 plus 31 is 90 only. The cost has increased 32,418. Now we will check it in another way also. 61 plus 29. So what was the cost function? Cost function is 6x square plus 12y square. Okay, so we will give value 6 into 61 square plus 12 into 29 square. That way we have to see whether this comes, because 61 plus 29 is what? 61 plus 29 is also equal to 90. That's also the combination. This combination here. This is also equal to 90. 59 plus 31 is also equal to 90. But what we want to prove, 60 and 30 is the minimum, is the combination where cost will be minimum. So that thing we are cross checking. Okay. I told you I am doing it for the experiment purpose, whether this really happens or not, or we are just blindly doing it. That's why I am doing it. So I will do it 61 into 2. It is 6 into 3721 plus 12 into 29 into 2. Okay, 29 into 2, no, 29 into 841. 841. Correct? Now 841 into 12. I'm doing anything wrong, you please keep checking there at your end. 10092. I'll do it again. 12 into 841. 10092. Correct? 6 into 3721. That is 6 into 3721. This part is equal to 2 2 3 2 6. Correct? Then it will be equal to plus 10092. Both of summing up both the things, it will be equal to 32,480 from my calculation. So it is answer 3. Answer 3. So at 60 and 30, the value is equal to 32,400. At other two combinations, 59, 31 and 61, 29. Combination. 61 plus 29 is 90. 59 plus 31 is also 90. Add those combinations, both the combinations, you can see 418, 418, right? 418 here. So both the way the cost is 32418. That means we are correct. That is the combination where cost will be minimum. If we change the combination, if we produce 61 TVs here and 29 TVs in B firm, then cost will increase. Or if we produce 59 TVs in firm A and 31 TVs in firm B, then also cost will increase. So what is the combination where cost will be most minimum? That is 60 and 30, which we have derived. That is the proof of our theory, whether we are doing it right or wrong, whether it means something to us or not. For your homework, you can change 60 into 90 to any part. Okay, don't worry. It is like 60, 30 equals to 90. You remember the 90. You make it, for example, 50 plus 40. You make it, for example, 45 plus 45. Then substitute the value in the cost function. Then see what will be the cost. At least cross check it. And this 60 and 30 should be the value where the cost will be, the value cost will be minimum. Other times it should be more than this. Then only our Lagrangian function or our purpose is correct. Otherwise, this class doesn't mean anything because I am teaching you. Okay, hope you understood this much what I meant and what I did. Tomorrow we will see one more example and you can write your roll numbers now. And one more thing, if you have any doubt, you can ask. I will stop the recording now.